How to play Palworld on PS4 or PS5. So to play Palworld, first and foremost, open up a browser that you prefer on your PC. So right here, firstly, you have to go ahead and search for your Steam. Then make sure that you are logged into your Steam account. If you do not have purchased Palworld yet, in the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for Palworld. Then you have to select the option of add to cart to purchase this game. So this is a newly launched game and you can get access to it easily. It does say that it has the full control support of Xbox controller and PlayStation controller. However, if you try to play on your PS4 or PS5, you will not be able to play it for now. Maybe because it is a newly launched game or whatever the reason might be. You can search for PlayStation.com and in the search bar just go ahead and search for Palworld right here. And if you tap for it, you will see no suggestion related to Palworld, which means that simply you won't be able to play Palworld on PS4 or PS5 for now. However, an update might be on the way where you can easily play your Palworld on your PC or PS5. So that's a wrap for the video as well. Hopefully you found this informative to you and thank you so much for tuning in.